What's up, YouTube? This is Sam the Dapper Tiger here. Happy Father's Day. This is my first Father's Day. By the time you're seeing this, Father's Day will pass. This is Sunday morning, and today I'm going sourcing. Meeting up with a YouTube friend, Joe's Deals Online. I'm meeting up with him and his son today, and he's taking me to a honey hole and a yard sale that he found. This is as good as the mustache is going to get today. Once the mask goes on, I'm sorry. Anyways, I love you guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so starting off, Joe is taking me to a dollar thrift store over by him. He sources at this place a lot. I couldn't really play too much of the audio from this place because the music was so loud and I don't want to get a copyright strike. Jackalope. Did you sell that thing? How many Roblox bucks you get?
Exactly, Steam book.
I hope you don't mind me changing up the format of your typical garage sale and yard sale video. I don't like making folks wait till the end. There's a couple of trips on this video, so I'm gonna show you what I just picked up right now. Hat. Here's the big one. Hat. Oh, corduroy. That's what's up. Shoes. Nintendo DS bag. I spent $7.56 at the store, and I'm looking to profit about $100 to $120 from all the items that I picked up today. All right, now that we're done with the thrift store, let's move on to the yard sale. Find some good plushies.
Yeah, I was kind of putting a whole bunch of shit in my pile.
Oh, nice.
That's what it was.
Is this your pile?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Sorry.
It's all good.
If you like Ezra, don't forget to like this video. See? You made him cry.
Are the golf clubs going too?
Yeah, this side is all going, being going with the move. That side.
You got it, cool. How much for the whole thing, I think?
Oh, cassettes?
Yeah.
Is $5 too much? Could that be?
I think that's fine.
Okay.
Can I throw it in?
I think
Not
there's
very
blank ones
big.
in there.
Yeah.
You
So
can
she's 10 now.
I mean,
and-
these are like my old good ones.
Mhm.
These are all the good stuff.
All these, I don't know if these
Just
spikes
look
are...
around.
Yeah.
Girl,
Yeah.
Okay.
I could sit here forever.
I think
So
these
nice.
were sixes. Is that what you want? I think.
I do a little reselling, so I'm going to clean
well,
them
they
up.
were $6, $7,
Cool.
and $8.
Thank you. Yeah. Happy moving.
Thank you. If you're
This-
bored later, come on back.
Definitely. I gotcha. Do you guys have any video games or anything like that?
Video game.
Old video games or
I
hats?
think they sold the video game player. Yeah, I don't think we have any of that because my son's into that, so I think that
Sure,
he took,
sure.
I think he took almost everything that
Okay.
he had. We haven't run across anything.
Okay.
And what was the other thing you asked?
Hats or like old hats or anything like that?
I
Okay.
know they asked for hats yesterday too.
Yeah.
haven't run across any hats.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm hanging out with them, so if you guys pick through any of those clubs that you don't want, I'll take a look at them too. So.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you. You tell the YouTube world how you think you did today?
Not too bad. Got a whole bunch of dollar games, a whole bunch of stuff, plush, all kinds of stuff.
Boom.
Yeah.
How about you, Hunter? How do you think you did today?
I think I did okay for
Yeah.
basically my first time getting something.
Yeah.
I got a whole huge bag of all these old newspapers, like 9/11 and the Oklahoma
Yeah.
Bombing and Princess Diana and 85 years and stuff.
So what's up?
I'll have to check those out. I've seen good things with that. So I gotta go up there and grab those newspapers.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate you, dude.
All right.
Hunter, you got anything to say to YouTube?
Not really.
Nope.
All right, man. Well, you can. Thank you guys so much for bringing me a happy Father's Day to you.
You too, man.
And I hope you sell that thing and make some big internet money. Thanks, fellas. I appreciate you.
All right, you have a good one.
You too, man. So there really wasn't much to look at this yard sale. I picked up a few items that I'm going to go through here with you. All right, so actually here is one of the pickups from the garage sale. This was like 25 cents. This is a whole batch of Spice Girls Culpa stickers. These are collectible stickers that actually came from Lollipops. They were big back in the day. I actually saw a listing on Mercari, sold count for $60. I think there's about like 30 stickers in here. As soon as I showed off this pickup on Instagram, one of my followers reached out. Her name is Amberly. I'm actually gonna link her Instagram down below. She's a Posh seller. So please go show her some love. Amberly, thank you so much. I'm gonna get this in the mail for you right away. I'm super stoked. This is actually my first viewer social media sale on Dapper Tiger. So thank you so much. Probably totally undersold this, but that's okay. I was just more excited this was an Instagram friend, so I had no problem cutting her a little deal, especially since I really didn't have much into this and she told me how big of a Spice Girls fan she is. Pink Power Ranger doll.
Morphin' time!
It was stained, cleaned it. It's in great shape. I opened this up. No batteries, no corrosion though. I got a whole bunch of cassettes. Tina Turner, Salt and Pepper, Bodyguard soundtrack, MC Hammer, The Commitments, Bob Marley and the Wailers. One Love. If I could play this, I would keep this. Gloria Stefan. Play this cassette to win. Okay. Bobby Brown. Kentucky Fried Chicken Motown Showcase Collection. What the heck? Alright. Miami Sound Machine Primitive Love. Gross. Okay. Luther Vandross. Give Me the Reason. Sting. Jive Bunny and the Master Mixers. Swing the Moon. Oh, Jock Jams. Hootie and the Blowfish. Animal House soundtrack.
See if you can guess what I am now. I'm a zit. Get it?
Boys to Men. Look at Me Now. Relaxation. I gotta fix that. Waiting to Exhale. Then I got these golf shoes. The good news is I only paid $13 for all of this, and after selling the Spice Girl stickers, I'm minus 50 cents on this sale. These need cleaning. Oh, by the way, I like to hang on to some of these because sometimes I like to test these guys. That's what this guy did to that. At least I was able to pick up something that sold fairly quickly and pretty much covered the cost of the entire yard sale. But Joe had done a great job picking through this entire yard sale. So good job, Joe and Hunter, for picking out all the goodies. But now I got bit by the yard sale bug. And I see one more yard sale on my yard sale treasure map on the way back to the wife and the baby. So you know I gotta stop. So there were a lot of things to look at this particular yard sale. There were RC car parts and cars that I know nothing about, and I didn't really feel like learning. I was pretty tired at this point. He wanted $100 for his game consoles, which I was not interested in. There were golf clubs, but he was asking for a lot of money for them. But I did happen to pick up this die-cast car. Here's some negotiating 101 skills for you. How much you want for this?
I don't know, make me an offer.
Do 5 for it?
Huh?
5 for it?
$5?
Yeah.
That's about 10.
A few moments later.
Yeah, $5 I'll do it.
$5? All right, man. We'll do it. Last but not least, diecast car. All right, so I was just excited that I was able to talk him down from $10 to $5. I should be able to make $15 off of this car. Overall, my last two stops are not that great. Shout out to the dollar thrift store. Overall, after spending $26, I should be able to net from $20 to $150. I hope you guys enjoyed the new layout of the video. I just want to make something that I enjoyed watching. Let me know what you thought of the new format in the comments down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and like. And if you're not, definitely subscribe. All of that is free so that you can help a little channel like mine grow. Stay tuned for my next garage sale video. I actually have a viewer sale and I personally deliver it, and they take me out around town showing me their citywide yard sale. So I can't wait to go. And until next time, peace.